Good evening, friends. This is trade review for 28th of December. Now, before we continue, uh, thank you so much for the response for our platinum button. It is truly overwhelming, and it's a great joy to sit with our members and to trade with them, and you know, through the course of the day, uh, tell them insights that I have collected over 25 years. So thank you so much for that response. Even to the other services, which are diamond, gold, silver, and copper. So all these things are available. And as you people know that I was long on the 13,600 call, which I also gave on social media. So that gapped up into my favor, and that did very well. So for more such trades and the recorded webinar, please get in touch on WhatsApp 98710 and email Ashwani underscore Gujral at yahoo.com. That is ASHWANI underscore GUJRAL at yahoo.com. Uh, Obviously, subscribe, like, and share. That goes without saying. Now, let's start with the S&P 500 right now. Today's main news is that Trump has signed the stimulus bill. So what I can see on the daily chart on S&P is that it was in contraction mode for all these sessions. We don't feel it because we went straight down and then straight up. And now it is starting a fresh leg of expansion. So S&P 500 is looking very good. And my sense is newer and newer highs will come in. Lots of people are in this humbug that the markets cannot keep on going up, etc., etc., etc. Yes, but right now they are going up. So get out of your, sleep and trade the markets on the side that they are going. Yes, you should wait for declines to enter, but to keep predicting tops, etc., that does not really help your cause. On the Nifty, like I told you, this entire red bar is taken out, and my sense is that 14,000 is likely to get taken out sooner rather than later. One day markets will come off, but right now they are not. I had given you a target of about 14,400. I think that will happen. And the sort of market action we are getting now is that the shorts are moving to the side and the bulls are having their way. I think for tomorrow, what is key could be the bank nifty crossing 31,000 and that giving further impetus to the nifty. So that is the sort of trade that I am looking at. Maybe, the bank nifty trade could be the larger trade just for tomorrow's day, because now it is basically, chances are it will open above those resistances. So all the 31,000 bears, if they are not already getting crushed, I think they will do that broadly by tomorrow. So I am interested in getting long on the bank nifty if I have to. Okay, because once this 31,000, or basically I think the highs are about 30, 950, 31,000 thereabouts. Basically, once we sustain above 31,000, the market is likely to become ballistic. So that is the sort of trade I would like to take on the Nifty Bank. Okay. For today, the trades that we took were intraday Kotak Mahindra Bank. Again, Kotak Mahindra was crossing this resistance and finally it gave you a very nice move. This we have carried as BTST. The other trade we took was TCS. Again, TCS, found support at this 200 on the 5-minute and then started to move higher. And that gave you a fairly nice, decent move. And finally, you had Reliance, which did not do too much. So that was the trade where I think you can say that did not work for the day. What we have taken home is also Titan. Now the reason for taking home Titan is that on the daily, you had this sideways move. You have, these red candles. And once we started to take out this zone at about 1520, Titan really moved up strongly. So that is the trade basically on Titan. So overall, I think the market juggernaut continues, and the sensible thing is to play with that juggernaut instead of giving your gyan to the market. The market does not care. So that should be it for this video. Again, like, share, subscribe. We love to hear from you. Enter some of our services and see what happens. You can join us on our Facebook group, Ashwini Gujral Followers. We are also running a contest these days where we are giving out one free webinar for the next 10 sessions. So you should try to play that contest. Also, the idea is that we are likely to have lives for public and for our members on Sunday. So we will announce the times for that, exact timing, but make sure you come to them if they are held. That should be it. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.